Hello student. Today we're going to talk about Queen Mary University of London and why you should choose this university. So before talking about this university, we need to talk about some of the pointers which are very important. You should be aware why you should choose this university. Queen Mary University of London is a member of Russell Group of UK University, which means you'll be having an access to top class research and excellent teaching. QMUL is also known for its world-leading research across all academic schools and departments. Now, the ranking. The 2024 The World University Ranking placed Queen Mary 14th in the world and 5th in the UK for quality of its research. On 4th June 2024, Queen Mary celebrated a 25th place in the 2025 QS World University Ranking to 120th. That is the greatest rise among all the Russell Group of University, which is research-intensive UK universities. Most of the programs, now talking about accreditation, most of the programs are accredited by professional bodies in the UK, helping you to stand out from the rest and start your career with charter status. Now, talking about awards this university has received, Queen Mary wins 2 London Higher Awards for student employability and research collaboration and is highly commended for well-being support for students, for international students specifically. Now, QMUL offers a generous support package for students studying a master's, including funding and scholarship. QMUL also has a career and enterprise team that supports graduates for 2 years after they graduate. Now, the next thing, talking about the campuses. QMUL main campus are at Mile End and Whitechapel. Mile End is home to most of their humanities, social science and science and engineering students. It has 6 campuses across East and Central London in Mile End, Whitechapel, Charterhouse Square, Lifford, Lincoln's Field and Westmeath Field, as well as international presence also all over the world. It is situated at the heart of East London. Stepney Green is an ideal location for students attending Queen Mary University of London. Just a short walk from the campus. Living in Stepney Green means you can roll out of the bed and be in class within minutes. So these are the pointers which you need to be aware why you should choose this university. Now the next pointers is the CAS process. So the CAS process is this, like once you get apply for University of London, you will get a conditional offer letter. To cover all the conditions to get your unconditional offer letter and pay £2,000 deposit to the university. And you'll be getting a MySIS portal through which you can apply for CAS by just checking all the details are correct, and you can submit that form. Once it is submitted, you will get your CAS in maximum 3 to 7 days. That's it. Thank you.